Start para. Both above appeals are directed against common judgment and order of conviction passed by learned second ad hoc additional sessions judge Nanded dated 2/7/2003, thereby convicting applicants in criminal appeal number 522 of 2023, that is original accused numbers 3 and 4, for offence punishable under section 366 read with 34 of IPC, whereas applicants in criminal appeal number 509 of 2003, that is original accused numbers 1 and 2, are convicted for offence under sections 376, 366 read with 34 of IPC. Para. Prosecution story leading to trial is as under. Mother-in-law of victims PW2 and PW3 accused both of them for stealing and eating groundnuts. Their husbands and mother-in-law scolded them, therefore getting upset, both PW2 and PW3 left house on 4/6/2000 under the pretext of answering call of nature, but to go to their house. PW3 also carried her son along with her. They decided to go to Kurla, and after walking some distance, they signaled and boarded a tempo. Accused numbers 1 to 4, who were occupying the said tempo, assured to take the lady free of charge and made them sit in the cabin. On the way, PW4, also a passenger, alighted from the tempo. However, accused did not halt the vehicle at Kurla, and it was rather taken ahead, in spite of PW2 and PW3 raising shouts and cries. Vehicle was further taken towards a Kacha road. There accused Keshav took and accused Sanjay took turns in raping both PW2 and PW3. Later on, they were taken and dropped to the outskirts of Gangakhed. Para. Meanwhile, father of PW2 learned from husband of PW2 that she and PW3 have not returned home. Thereafter, brother of PW3 lodged missing report. During their search, PW4 informed father of PW2 about ladies being traveling in the vehicle owned by Keshav and Sanjay, and therefore he approached police on 26/2000 and lodged report, on the strength of which crime was registered for offence under section 363, 366 read with 34 of IPC. After investigation was over and on gathering sufficient evidence, accused persons were charge sheeted and tried by second ad hoc additional sessions judge Nanded, who held all 4 accused guilty and sentenced them to suffer imprisonment as spelled out in the operative part of the order. Precisely such judgment and order of conviction is now taken exception to by all 4 accused, by filing distinct appeals on various grounds spelled out in the respective appeal memo. Para. Learned counsel Mr. V.S. Kadam for accused numbers 1 and 2 submitted that there is apparently false implication. There is no convincing, reliable evidence on the point of kidnapping or offence under section 366 or even under section 376 of IPC. According to him, at the outset, the alleged occurrence has taken place on 4/6/2000 and FIR is lodged on 26 2000, that is after more than 15 days, that the alleged victims, who were married women, have allegedly traveled in the tempo of accused even after alleged forcible rape and spent almost 15 days outside, but never reported anything to anyone, that thus their testimonies are not worthy of credence, that only when they were brought back they gave false statements and narrated a false and fabricated story. Stop.